Amigo, you know what time it is, man? Of course I do. It's Starting with Jay.
Right guys, welcome back to Exploring with Jake. We are going to take you down an old, abandoned Stockport Air Raid Shelter. I think this is Shude Hill Air Raid Shelter, guys, yeah, from back in the day. Thank you for joining Exploring with Jake. Don't forget to put post notifications on and subscribe to the madness. You don't even know what's gone on, yeah, in the last couple of weeks, yeah. I've lost like loads of footage, yeah, I've lost loads of pictures, yeah. Oh, you don't even want to know, guys, so I do apologise that I've not been uploading that much, but we are back uploading. So yeah, let me take you around this place, guys. Anyway, thank you for subscribing. Big shout out to the new subscribers. Love you all. Post notifications. Oi oi, let me take you around it. Right guys, welcome back to Exploring with Jake. And this mad one. Saying we're in the lovely town of Stockport today. See that? Yeah. But yeah, anyway guys, what's going on? We are on the bridge in Stockport, just about to go into an abandoned air raid shelter. Under this bridge here right now used to be an old train track. Over this side used to be an old train track, yeah, about 1920, about 1950 or something like that, maybe. Yeah, you could correct me in the video anyway, you know what I'm saying, put a comment down at the bottom, you know how we do. But anyway, we're going to go down here, yeah, we're going to take you down it, yeah. But yeah, as I say, every single time, I love you all, thanks for joining, post notifications, join the par gang, you get me, merchandise is coming out very soon, guys, but yeah, I love you all anyway. But yeah, let's go. I'm going to take you down here, sorry about the shaky hands, I'm going to get a tripod very soon. Right guys, this is one entrance, yeah, to the air raid shelters. Obviously you can't get in. Yeah, as you can see, that's the other entrance. Right, we are basically right next to the motorway. Right, a lot of debris about, bit of crap in the bushes. But yeah, that's the way in, guys. Oh yeah, woo! You get me? Big shout out to the Culture Vulture. But yeah, anyway, like I say, thank you for joining Exploring with Jake. We are here, we are out and about. We've had some technical difficulties in the last couple of days, guys, so I do apologise that I haven't uploaded that much. But yeah, anyway, we are at an abandoned World War II, World War I bunker in Stockport, in the beautiful town of sunny Stockport, right outside the horrible mess of Red Rock. What a waste of money. But anyway, there's the other entrance there, yeah, as you can see right there. Right, but I'm gonna have to get in that hole, and I am on my own, guys. So yeah, thank you for joining Exploring with Jake, the lone explorer. We are out here, 0161, money on the map. You get me. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Yeah, you know the one anyway. Right, what do you think? Do I look like that guy? Like my mate said, yeah, that I look like that guy that dribbles salt on people's steaks with these glasses on. What do you think? Comment at the bottom. Do you think I look like that guy who dribbles salt all over your meat? But yeah, I love you all. We gotta get through this hole. This little mini hole here. Oh yeah. Right guys, welcome back to Exploring with Jake. We are in an underground bunker on my own guys. I am Lone Ranger today, but yeah, we just climbed through that hole right there. Crazy. What? Right guys, we have made it in the abandoned Stockport Air Raid Shelter. All the pickaxe marks and stuff like that on the wall, that's crazy. Right, let's go over this obstacle here. Somebody's been getting drunk. Oh, it's horrible in here, it's really wet. Don't tell me that's it. Oh, it is. I just got filthy for fuck all. Look at the state of them. I've just got filthy for this. For half a tunnel. Like I say all the time, it's not that big of an explore this, to be honest. I thought it was going to be a bit bigger than that, but obviously not there. It's like there, right? And like behind me. That's it. I'm stood right in the corner. Like, it's an L shape, yeah. That's basically how I can like tell you what it is. It's basically shaped like an L, but there is two other like way-ins down there, but obviously you can't get in. So, oh well, thank you for joining Exploring with Jake on this little mini adventure of Stockport Air Raid Shelters. Obviously the bits that aren't paid for, that you don't go and pay for £3.50 or £4.50, take your kids and all that bullshit, yeah, Stockport, you get me. But anyway, Exploring with Jake, we're on it, we're about.